The ZOLL AED3 trainer is designed to closely mirror the design of the clinical ZOLL AED3, allowing for a realistic training experience. The ZOLL AED3 trainer is designed with pads on mannequin detection. Once the trainee places electrodes on the mannequin, the ZOLL AED3 trainer will recognize this and move to analysis. Long-lasting training pads. The training gels are designed to last over 50 training uses, and the compression sensor assembly for over 100. All options are configurable on the trainer itself. One trainer can be used for both semi and automatic modes. Prompts can be customized to match protocols and clinical device configurations on their clinical devices. Volume is adjustable to suit any training environment. Flexible language options offering up to 3 languages per device. Adult and pediatric mode is also configurable. The ZOLL AED3 trainer is easy to update with new software. If guidelines change, you can simply update the trainer software with a USB stick with preloaded software. You can change the part number by updating the software, and you can also change the language package in the field.